When cleaning your e-mobility device, you should consider the Ingress Protection rating of your device. If the device has a water-resistant rating of 0, then you can only clean your scooter with a dry cloth. A water-resistant rating of 1 to 4 means that you can use a damp cloth to clean the vehicle, whereas a water resistance rating of 5 means that you can use a low-pressure hose to clean the vehicle. Having said this, it is best to check with the specific product manual and follow their guidelines for cleaning. In addition to this, it is important that you do not use alcohol, gasoline, kerosene, or other corrosive or volatile chemical solvents to clean the vehicle. These can damage the housing and potentially introduce a new pathway for water or chemical ingress to the battery pack or critical electrical components. Lastly, during cleaning, you should turn off the e-mobility device, unplug the charger, and close the charger portal or plug if there is one.